Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO X300 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then we have to localize a special number which is called build number or software version. Let me go to version info. And if we do not have the build number, then we have to focus on the software version. Keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. As you can see here, we've got it. So now we can go back. Be aware, because if you've got the screen lock, then your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step. So let's go back, and now we can go to the system management. So let's tap. And as you can see at the very bottom, we've got developer options, so let's enter. And we have to turn them on for some reason. Usually it will be automatically turned on, but if you see that most of the options are inactive, simply tap on the switcher at the top, confirm it with OK, and now we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can enable Freeform windows, which is the experimental function. Here you can enable the strict mode. Here, for example, you can show view updates, you can set transparent navigation bar, show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking overall, etc. So quite a lot of things to customize. So in order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switch on it, and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like for example here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher. As you can see, most of the options will be inactive, but the developer options are still here in the system management. Let me check if they will disappear after turning off the options. And yes, as you can see, the developer options are not visible, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to this version number step and keep tapping on it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.